Alright, so we've been finding some gold and we're at a new place which took us about an hour to get out here. And I think we're going back to the other place tomorrow.
It was tricky.
A lot of pyrite, eh? So this is what we've got so far at this new place.